Hey everyone! Today, I want to share a refreshing approach to mental health that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. Ecotherapy, also known as nature therapy. Have you ever felt a surge of peace just by walking through a park or sitting by a lake? There's actually science behind that feeling. Ecotherapy isn't just a trend, it's a deep connection with nature that can significantly boost our mental well-being. But ecotherapy isn't just about enjoying the greenery. It combines physical activity, mindfulness, and caring for the environment. When you hike, garden, or birdwatch, you're not just moving your body, which we know boosts mood. You're also practicing mindfulness. Being fully present in these activities helps you connect deeply with your surroundings, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Let's talk about the benefits. By regularly immersing ourselves in nature, we build resilience. It's like tapping into nature's own source of strength and stability. Nature becomes a sanctuary, offering us peace, restoration, and a lot of inspiration. This isn't just good for our mental health, it enhances our overall quality of life. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or simply need a mental reset, why not try ecotherapy? It could be as simple as visiting a nearby park or starting a small garden. Remember, it's about finding those moments of peace and connection in the natural world. Thanks for tuning in. If this video sparked your interest in ecotherapy, consider exploring more ways to connect with nature. Whether it's a quiet walk on the beach or just sitting under a tree, every little step is a step towards better mental health. Stay healthy and stay connected. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.